What's up, folks? Welcome back to the channel, where today we will discuss the best blenders on the market. We can jump straight to the video without wasting any time. Do check out the description for more info and its pricing. Make your favorite meal with comfort using the NutriBullet NBR-1201R 12-piece blender mixer. It is powered by a 600-watt motor that enables it to perform a function of blending. In addition, this blender mixer is built with premium-grade fiber plastic that enhances its durability and longevity. It has an extractor blade that can open seeds, crack through stems, shred skins, and access hidden nutrients in food. It cuts down food in its most digestible state, so you can drastically increase your health and energy levels. Its sharp blades and powerful 600-watt motor effortlessly blend fruits, vegetables, liquids, and so much more into nutritious smoothies, simply and deliciously delivering critical nutrients to your body. This 12-piece package includes one 24-ounce and two 18-ounce cups, and one of the 18-ounce cups with a handle. There are two lids to take the cups on the go, and two lip rings to cover the threaded edge, so you may drink directly from the cups. You can either press and release the pulse, or press and turn clockwise to lock and let the machine run. For those making baby steps towards a healthier lifestyle, the 600-watt NutriBullet NBR-1201 is one of those blenders that are not easy to pass by. Blendtec TB-621-20 blender is among the best blenders in the market. It is an attractive investment, either for individual or commercial purposes. It is one of the best blenders used by various people in making smoothies and preparing their favorite concoctions. Its powerful motor and powerful blades allow it to grind down various recipes for various smoothie recipes. The blender has exceptional traits that intensify its performance. Among the key specialties include a powerful 3 HP direct drive motor, along with a 1560 watt power. It has improved control settings that are pre-programmed into blending cycles and has digital touchpad controls with an automated shutoff. Its blades are two-pronged stainless steel that turns up to 29,000 RPM, which gives a nice crushing guarantee. It has a 2-quart blending jar that is square and has a fitting lid to limit the substances from flying out of the jar. The blender comes along with a user's guide and new recipes you can try out utilizing your new blender. It measures 7 by 8 by 15.5 inches. It is an all-in-one appliance as it makes smoothies, ice cream, fresh juice, milkshakes, soup, margaritas, sauces, cappuccinos, dressings, bread dough, salsas, and much more. It does collectively what up to 9 devices are able to do in an easy, effective manner. The Vitamix E310 is a powerful, well-built blender with a 10-speed dial. Although it's more simple in design than more Vitamix blenders, it gives an exceptional versatile performance. The Vitamix E310 Exploring Blender provides 10 variable speeds that allow you to refine every texture with culinary precision, from the smoothest purees to the heartiest soups. The coarse layer chops over smooth purees for more robust recipes, such as chunky salsas or thick vegetable soups. Its 48-ounce container is ideal for blending medium batches for small family meals. The cutting blades measure a 3-inch diameter to ensure a consistent blend every time. This blender uses aircraft-grade stainless steel blades designed to handle the toughest ingredients. So from the first blend to the last, you get the same quality results. However, with a drop of dish soap and warm water, your Vitamix machine can clean itself in 30 to 60 seconds. You can make silky smoothies, very smooth almond butter, and bar-quality crushed ice in its main jar. You can also use it for hot blending. The fixed blades can make cleanup difficult sometimes, but its jar, lid, and tamper are all dishwasher safe. It's usually relatively easy to clean by hand, and conveniently its jar and lid are both dishwasher safe. The Ninja BL660 belongs to the brand's Expert Blender series. It has a powerful 1100-watt motor that can crush ice immediately and also serve as a personal blender. In short, it's a functional product with various applications. It has 1100 watts of professional performance power with 3 speeds, pulse, and single-serve functions. Its 72-ounce total crushing pitcher pulverizes ice to snow in seconds for creamy frozen drinks and smoothies. With 1100 watts of power, it's able to blend all types of items quickly. It's a beautiful and versatile addition to the home of anyone who wants to eat and drink healthier. The 6-blade assembly allows you to crush swiftly and blend ingredients into smooth drinks, dips, and dressings. The blender's single built-in feature enables individuals to make milkshakes, frappers, and other blended refreshments. The professional blender includes the perfect wattage to crush ice in just a matter of seconds. Having this rod-like feature means rather than having a blade just at the bottom like a regular blender, the Ninja BL660 has 3 sets of blades, the bottom, halfway, and then a set near the top. This design negates the need for a plunger that some other blenders have. The ultra-popular Vitamix 5200 blender is a blending powerhouse and a top-selling design in the Vitamix legacy line. The 5200 was first released in 2007, so it's an older design. Still, its excellent durability and quality have been thoroughly examined by thousands of buyers. To this day, many home chefs and even commercial establishments are utilizing the Vitamix 5200. This blender is 20.5 inches tall with the pitcher on, 7.3 inches wide, 8.8 inches deep. The motor peaks around 1400 watts and works together with a premium stainless steel blade to turn your vegetables and fruits into silky beverages in a matter of seconds. It also features an overload safety function. Suppose the blender runs for too long or is straining too much. In that case, the motor will shut down automatically to prevent circuit damage. The pitcher holds up to 64 ounces and sits on top of the motor base without twisting it on, so it's easy to place and remove. There's a spill-proof rubber lid that fits tightly onto the top of the pitcher. In the middle of the lid is a drop-in hole, so you can add ingredients mid-session. The hole also allows the tamper to go through and push the contents down when needed.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our latest uploads.